Hey, in this video, I will teach you that how we program this. Okay, how we program this star sequence. So there you all can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 rows, and also in first row first star print, in second row 2 star print, third row 3 star print, and fourth 4 star, 5 and 5 star. So this is very easy program. So for this let's move to the program. We have to just I and j, because I for row, j for how many time it will print the value. See? Okay, then let's make program. Okay, I'm here. Okay, there you all can see that I made it. Okay, I made it this program. So I and j, I introduce integer type, and then here you see two loops, nested loop. I whenever the I value is 1 means row is 1, row is 1, then j value is also 1. Okay, means how many times it will indicate, j will actually indicate how many times, so it will print one time. What it will print? Steric. So it will print steric. Okay, so for this I have to insert in it a steric. Okay, there you can see that I make a program there. So I was tell you that we just introduce two integer I and j, and for this I for rows. So for first row means that for first row j is I. J is I means j is 1. Okay, j is 1 means that it will print one time. What print? Steric print. It will print the steric just one time. Okay, and after that in the next line backslash n, I value become 2, then j value also 2, but it is print 2 time the steric. Okay, the second row. Then similar way it will in the next line backslash n is the new line, it will then I value become 3, so j value also 3. Then how many time it will print? 3 time print, because j also 3. Then also then like that way all static will print. Then let's see by run, save, compile, and run. There you can see that we printed. Okay, so I hope that all of you can understand. So please like, subscribe and share, please. Okay, thank you.